Oh my God, what a great driver.
I'm saying that was the best ever, baby.
We got about 7 seconds to the hour.
Alright, let's see, baby. Uh-oh.
You're in third gear, Chrissy.
Oh, it's cutting out. There it is again. Look at it. It's slipping. This fucker's hurt. Listen to it. You hear it? Look at the tack. This is slipping all over the place. This car is hurt. Something's wrong. I think the fuel pump or something's out. Look at, we got no power, man. It's dying right there. Look at it. Well, I guess we got 110, but it's still dying. I got it. Now this could screw these corners up if this cuts out. That was 105.
Whoa!
Hang on, baby. Hang on.
Camera's still going.
Was it?
Yes.
Tell me we didn't push that to
The fans are waving us on. No.
Look at them back there. They stopped in the corner. They must think it's dangerous. Hang on, Betsy. We went off the track. We're still.
This is gonna be so great to watch.
I'm blaming it on junk acceleration.
Oh, the tranny slipped. It wouldn't catch us.
There it was again.
Yes.
But it's hitting, baby. Woo! You got that on tape?
Yes, the whole thing. I don't know if the camera's got the right focus.
Look at that one! I had the whole wheel upside down, baby.
Firehawk. Be sure you get it so that you can see no door handles and stuff on this one.
Huh. Yeah.